Heshan OUHE Furniture Company Limited, founded in 2013, is located in Heshan, Jiangmen City, Guangdong Province. It is only one step away from Shunde, the furniture capital of the world. So we have superior geographical location, convenient transportation, and beautiful environment. Our company plant area is more than 50,000 square meters, which is consisting of 7 factories, that they are the metal stamping factory, the robot welding factory, the hardware spraying factory, the packaging and shipment factory, the carton factory, the PU factory, and the sofa factory. Our company has a modern production base and advanced production equipments, including 40 sets Japan OTC automatic robot machine hands, 20 sets professional special equipments. All our waiting chair series products are using automatic robot welding for producing, which quality is more stable than the traditional manual welding, and the come-out products are more beautiful and practical. All robots can continuous working for 24 hours that can improve our production efficiency. Our company also has 4 sets high-speed backrest punching machines, can punching times up to 320 per minute. Every day our normal waiting chair's capacity can reach more than 5,000 sets, that our delivery capacity is greatly improved. In order to ensure the delivery time and quality stability and support better service to customers, further improving our production chain that has invested a PU factory, spraying factory, sofa factory, and carton factory. Spraying plant adopts high standard environmental protection equipments and spraying process with 1,500 meters long production line, which can send products directly from spraying plant to packaging factory to ensure stable product quality. In order to respond to the National Environmental Protection Policy, our spraying factory invested more than 2 million won to upgrade our equipment in 2022. The upgraded multifunctional spraying room and more advanced environmental protection equipment are at the leading level in the same industry. Our company invested large money to purchasing several polyurethane PU foaming machines to produce more high-grade PU series airport chairs that further improve and enrich the product series. The equipment adopts the latest never-plugged machine rotary valve perfusion head with large perfusion flow, accurate measurement, stable performance, which can produce a variety of different sizes, different colors, different hardness of PU foaming products. Our company office sofa, from product design, production, delivery, all processes are completed in our company that can control good quality and less cost. We are specialized in making Iron Series airport chair, Stainless Steel Series airport chair, PU Series airport chair, Rock Plate dining table and chair series, office sofa, coffee table, leisure sofa, bar chair, and so on. Our company has many profession senior R&D staffs, which obtain more than 80 product design patents. Our mold room has 7 sets line cutting machines, 3 sets milling machines, 4 sets large drilling machines, and other mold processing equipments. Our company has a strong research and development ability, is the best cooperation partner for project. From product design, mold development to produce and packaging, all have their own research and development of the complete production line. To make the design and production of furniture has formed a certain scale. All modern products are developed by our factory with high technical content. Office sofa research and develop many cost-effective new styles that best-selling exports to dozens of countries around the world. Tea table with a variety of functions and material matching can satisfy the different needs. Products adhering to the latest European and American industrial design concept, reasonable design, cost-effective, fast delivery, is the best supplier of engineering supporting. Our company has obtained ISO 9001 certificate and ISO 14001 environmental certificate. After 10 years of precipitation and development, has become a professional furniture design, production, sales one-stop, complete set of comprehensive enterprises. Now, our company has a strong marketing network throughout China. All products are exported to more than 60 countries and regions in the world. Welcome domestic and foreign merchants, agents to negotiate cooperation.